In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create shorts in YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, open up YouTube app. Then make sure you are signed into your YouTube account, and once it is done, tap right here at this plus. Then select short, and it will activate your device's camera, and now we are able to record a short video. We can first of all switch it between 15 and 60 seconds in that way, and then we can start recording our video just like that, and then we can tap at that check mark to go to the next step, where we can add there some sound, text. We can trim it, we can add there some voiceover, and once we have finished with editing video, we can tap at next, and then we'll be able to upload the video we have just recorded. Also, instead of recording video, we can upload one from our camera roll. Just let me show you from the beginning. Just tap at this plus, select short, and then tap right here. That will open up your camera roll, and from here we can select a video that is less than 60 seconds in that way. Or if you will select the video that is longer than 1 minute, you will be able to trim it. We can also trim that videos in that way. We can trim it from the start and from the end as well. And then in the same way we can add there some sound, some text. We can trim it again. We can add voiceover, and then at that final step we can add caption for our short. We can change privacy settings, so we can set it to public, unlisted, or private. Also, we are able to schedule it. We can add a location. We can change audience settings, and once we are done with that, to upload our short, we need to tap at that button, just like that. That's how you can easily create shorts in YouTube on your mobile device.